Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm feeling pretty blessed. All of these paintings sold in the last couple weeks, a few of them in the art auction that I am now curating along with my partner Sandra Lett. We had our flagship show, Art Healing Hearts Auctions, right on Facebook, and we had amazing artists participate. So if you want to know how you could participate and partner with us, Art Healing Hearts Auctions, just look in the description box. And still coming up is a live painting and studio tour. I did have to cancel because I wasn't feeling very well, but I can't wait to show you my studio. I completely revamped it. I'm going to take you all through all the drawers and all of the organization and just the whole thing, and what I decided to do to create a space that I love to paint in. So first, we're going to talk about this little cutie. This is an Arteza canvas. These are the colors that were used in this little painting, and this is an easy one. This is a 4x8 oval canvas by Arteza. You can see the link in the description box if you want. And this is a flip cup with a balloon roll, and it's real simple, and all my paints were mixed with just Floetrol and water. So I'm going to show you how I layer my cup here and then do my little flip cup. And I think it's a challenge sometimes to get something really unique and pretty on a small canvas, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. I've been wanting to just get one beautiful balloon roll on a canvas, and I think I managed to do that. I'm going to do a few more of these in the series and probably do a little bit of embellishing. Those will hopefully make their debut in our next auction, although this one sold so quickly, who knows if they'll make it there. I don't know. But thank you so much to all of you on Facebook. I was totally blown away by the amount of love and support during my health crisis. I was in the hospital a couple times this week, and you know, I have some challenges ahead of me for sure, and I just want to say my YouTube and Facebook family has really shown a ton of support, and thank you all so much for that. Here we go. So I just wanted to pop in and say, you know, doing this on a really small canvas is much more complicated than you would think. It takes up so much room, took away so much of the paint. I was really struggling with this one and not sure if it was going to turn out, but I did want to share with you something that happened off camera. After I did this last balloon roll that you'll see on camera, I just put it aside for like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. And I went back and I did one last balloon roll and it was perfect. Of course, I didn't catch it on camera because that's how it always goes. But just to let you know, I just kept persevering on this one and ended up with just a little cutie. Right there, it just wasn't quite there yet. It was pretty, but you'll see what happened here. That's how it dried. Beautiful. That gold in there is a lot of the golden interference gold. It's just so pretty. I just love the way this one turned out. Good composition. Yeah, it was really fun. So thanks for coming along with me. This one sold almost immediately, but don't worry, there's more little cuties to come, and just stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.